There.
Things I'll do today. First of my life. Just my children and my life. Thank my lucky stars. To USA. And the flag still stands for freedom. They can't take that away. I'm proud to be an American, and we stand alone.